Hi and hello everyone. Welcome to the Nursing Virus YouTube channel. This is me Logunathan and this video regarding some of the rules and regulation which they have changed newly by the Government of India regarding the recruitment of Employment State Insurance Corporation for the various posts. They were given the new rules and regulation for the recruitment process on the date of December 5. They given the notification and how much staffs they needed for the specific post they have given on this notification. Regarding the notification detail and order and advertisement and what is the new rule they have changed for the recruitment process, everything they have given on this notification file. Here we'll see the complete detail. And so far, if you are not subscribed my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get all the job notification and as well MCQ discussion. Here the notification from the Ministry of Labour and the Employment regarding the Employer State Insurance Corporation. The new rules and regulations they have given for the recruitment of the post of nursing officer, senior nursing officer, assistant nursing superintendent. And before this, that different category they were called with the name of staff nurse, sister in charge, like that they were called. So in those posts they are going to convert into that nursing officer and senior nursing officer category. Here the set of rules and regulation they have newly regulated in the year of 2020. So in the upcoming all the posts will be followed these rules and regulation for recruiting this post, and they have given the number of staffs needed for the particular post. They have given the number of posts, so we can expect soon for this number of vacancies in the various ESIC in all around the India. So this is the number of needed post for the particular job. For the nursing officer, they needed 2,959 staffs as a nursing officer, and this is the group B category and the 7th pay scale. And here the one of the major change you can see on the age group, it should not exceed 30 years. If you are looking for the previous ESIC job notification, the age limit will be given or considered as up to 37 years. But for in the upcoming vacancies, till the 30 years age group can apply. And the education qualification also they have some changes. So if you have completed BSc nursing or post BSc, you can eligible to apply for this post, and you should have the compulsory RN RM. And the second post, if you are going for that or if you are done diploma in nursing, you should have the RN RM. And one more new category they have added for the diploma, that is a 1 year experience in the minimum 50 bedded hospital after your diploma program. That is a new changes you can see. And the remaining recruitment process as like a examination and previous year recruitment, the same process will be continued. And for the next post, that is a senior nursing officer, that is around 1,272 members they needed. This is a group B and the pay matrix is level 8, that is around 47,600 rupees to 1,51,000. And here through the promotion they are going to recruit this process. That means who have completed the nursing officer post for the 2 years of period, they are going to appoint under the senior nursing officer post. So this one is not the exam wise. So under the promotion order they are going to recruit this post. And the next one, the assistant nursing superintendent, that is a 279 members they needed. This is also group A, level 10 matrix they are going to follow. And here who are already working in the senior nursing officer with the 2 years of period, they will get or they will be appointed under the promotion order to the assistant nursing superintendent post. So this is the some of the new rule they have given for the nursing category. And as well they have given the education qualification and how many years they need to work for the particular post they have given. So this is the new modification they have given by that authority, by the Indian government. So we can expect this vacancy in the upcoming year. So you can keep on prepare towards the ESIC exams. And thank you for joining with me. We'll see in that next video for the upcoming post and the MCQ video discussion. Thank you.